Hi Winnipeg, I'm Alison O'Toole of Alison and the City and Century 21 Backman Associates, standing out front of this well laid out bungalow on Campbell Street in River Heights. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully finished basement and a garage out back. Let's go on and take a look. Welcome inside to this open concept living room, dining room, and kitchen area that's perfect for entertaining your friends and family. This custom kitchen offers quartz countertops, a deep sink, pull-out drawers, and a carburetor with a water filtration system. As you walk down the hallway, you'll find 3 good-sized bedrooms with closets and an updated bathroom. Some important features I'd like to mention about this home is that the shingles have been redone in the last 2 years, tri-pane gelled windows on the main floor, and we head downstairs and you'll find that the electrical has all been updated, new hot water tank, high efficient furnace, and a sump pump. Whether it's barbecue, bonfires, or baseball with the kids, this backyard offers as much space as you need for you and your family. Have any questions or want to view this home? Feel free to give me a call. I'm Alison O'Toole and I want to be your realtor.